Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer, that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the TPMS light, tire pressure monitor system light, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Let's go ahead and start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The TPMS light, fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, guys. Let's explain now what we need to do. We need to first open the driver door, and if you come in on the driver's side in the footwell compartment behind the parking brake paddle, all the way up on the left side under the dash, you will see a black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out. So now, guys, for the TPMS system, you don't have a specially dedicated fuse. You need to check a few fuses, we'll talk about that, but they made it to where it's part of the safety, it's a safety system, kind of like the airbag system, so you cannot just remove the fuse and deactivate it. It's integrated in another system. There is limited information about that, but most likely, guys, the fuses that you need to check are fuse number 18, that's very important fuse, relay 49 right here will need to be checked. Then you need to open the hood, and here on the driver's side you have that fuse box. Press these two tabs, open that cover, that's the main engine fuse box. Here is what we need to check. We need to check the ABS module, fuses and relays, often it could be integrated there, so you need to check fuse number, that's 3, 4, 5, fuse number 5, fuse number 43 right here will need to be checked, 59, so that's 56, 7, 8, 9, 59. Check that fuse, guys, it's important fuse. Then you need to check fuse 92, that's 89, 90, 91, 92 and 94 right there. Also, if those are all good, you need to check your engine fuses. We'll have engine computer fuses, we'll have the video on the channel, but it could be bad tire pressure monitor sensor or bad TPMS module. We'll have videos on our YouTube channel why TPMS light is on Ford Explorer and how to reset the TPMS light, how to rewarm TPMS sensors. All that will be covered on our YouTube channel. Check it out if you need help with it. So, guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.